Hello friends, I am your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl and welcome to our Holiday Wellness Wednesday series for the month of December. I wanted to come in and share with you my favorite holiday essential oil toolkit. These are the oils that I have in my arsenal during the holidays to help to relieve stress. First off, the biggest one I like to have is OnGuard. Now, these are blends from the company doTERRA that I absolutely love. This has a blend of oils that help to kill the viruses, the bacteria, and all that nasty stuff. And they help me to gargle with, to release any mucus. I put them on the bottom of my feet, one little drop, to help with immunity, as well as rubbing it up and down my spine. This is my go-to to help my immune system. When we get stressed, our immune system actually begins to become depleted. When we're stressed, we release vitamin C as well as other nutrients that we need to keep ourselves healthy. So OnGuard is my go-to for any immunity things. And for me, sometimes I love dairy, but it don't love me, and I get very mucusy. If I put one drop of this and gargle a little bit, swish and spit it out, I'm able to release some of that mucus from some of my pleasurable foods I enjoy during the holiday season. Next, speaking about food, is Digest Zen. Now this again is a blend from doTERRA that I absolutely love for digestive discomfort. I carry this everywhere. It helps with, for me, bloating. It helps with any kind of regurgitation, burping, heartburn, constipation, feeling too full. This is my go-to oil. One of the favorite ways I love using it is applying it with a little oil or lotion, rubbing it in my hands, and then if I have heartburn, I would rub it right here or on my belly, massaging it into my belly, as well as it's a great breath refresher, and I use this sometimes swishing. I actually really love this oil, 1 to 2 drops in hot water, and it's really great for a post-meal beverage. Next up, this tends to be a time for certain people to feel a little more sluggish, as well as maybe getting all stuffy. The next blend I love from doTERRA is called Breathe. This is a respiratory blend. Now, the ways I use this blend, it has some mints, as well as a few other oils that help to open up your nasal passage, as well as your respiratory system. I put a drop or two of this in a hot, steamy shower and take some nice deep breaths. Also, rubbing it all over my chest after I get out of the shower helps to unlock all my bronchial area, as well as I put it in a little bit of face lotion. I like to cut it a little bit, dilute it, and I'll literally rub it right on my sinuses, and it can be really helpful to unlock. As well as the mix of mints and other oils, it helps me to feel like I'm awake and I can feel grounded as well as focused. Now, speaking of grounding, I also love this blend called Citrus Bliss. It helps me throughout the day to feel grounded, but it gives me a lift of energy. Citrus for me uplifts my mood as well as uplifts my energy. So this is my go-to oil. I actually use this in the morning. I put 1 drop on my hands, rub it together. I take deep breaths, and then I actually rub up and down. So this is a Chinese medicine technique to give me energy and squeezing my ears up. This is also a go-to oil that I carry with me if I'm feeling a little sluggish or down. And about 3 deep breaths of this, and I really can feel the change, and that's Citrus Bliss. And finally, in my arsenal, we got to talk about sleep, right? When we're stressed, a lot of times it's difficult to sleep. The reason is stress throws our metabolism and our circadian rhythm off. So using essential oils can help you to feel grounded in a way to sedate into sleep. And my go-to for that is Serenity. This is my favorite essential oil blend to help me sleep. A lot of my friends who have kids say they love this for their kids. They put it in a diffuser in their child's bedroom, and it helps their kids sleep. It helps me sleep too. I have a diffuser right next to my bed. I put a couple drops in my diffuser and set that up every single night. I also put it on the bottom of my feet, 1 drop on each bottom of my feet, because your feet absorb and go into your system quicker than other areas. And as well as I take those deep breaths, and I love to rub it all right here on my chest so that I can really smell it while I am falling asleep. Those are some of my favorite oils to help me during a busy season, as well as ways that it helps me to de-stress. Now, I also use Serenity if I'm feeling a little overwhelmed and anxious. I try not to use that during the day as much as possible, and sometimes I actually will put these two together, Citrus Bliss and Serenity. The Serenity will kind of help me calm my anxiety, but the Citrus Bliss will keep me awake so that I am still focused during the day. As I mentioned, all of these oils are from the amazing company called doTERRA. I love this company. It's highly therapeutic oils. They've done rigorous testing, and essential oils in this country are not regulated, so you do pay for what you get. Now, if you have more questions about essential oils, how to use them for your holiday stress, or how I can help you to get into more like a Costco membership, discounted membership with doTERRA, I would love to answer any questions. Essential oils are phenomenal gifts, and I generally give oils to people as gifts a lot, and they absolutely love them. I also wanted to make sure, if you are unaware, that we are running our annual Holiday Stress Challenge starting December 9th. It will be live. I will be sharing how to use oils during this challenge. It is a 10-day challenge. It will take you a maximum of 10 minutes each day, enhancing the way that you respond to your time, taking better care of yourself, honoring your time and your loved ones, and staying grounded during the holiday season. I would love to have you on this challenge, and if you have questions about it, please feel free to let me know. I will also have information for you to join us on that free Holiday Stress Challenge running live December 9th through the 18th. This is Tracy with your Wellness Wednesday and my stress oil arsenal. Be well.